Sustainable recovery of precious metals from e-waste. Good day, my name is Eliza Yasham Lakbay, and today I'll present a sustainable solution for the recovery of valuable metals from electronic waste. This aligns with metallurgical engineering role in promoting environmental sustainability. E-waste, such as old phones and laptops, is the fastest growing waste stream worldwide. In 2023 alone, more than 50 million tons of e-waste were generated, with only a small fraction being properly recycled. E-waste contains precious metals like gold, silver, and palladium. For example, 1 ton of e-waste can yield more gold than 1 ton of gold ore, yet much of these valuable resources is wasted due to improper disposal. As a metallurgical engineer, we specialize in material extraction and recovery. E-waste recycling is a challenge we can tackle by developing efficient and sustainable recovery methods for metals. Traditional recycling method is like smelting, require immense energy and produce toxic emission. Additionally, chemical-based recovery process pose risk to human health and the environment. My proposed solution is to use advanced hydrometallurgical method, which involves metals from e-waste using environmentally and friendly reagent, ensuring safer and cleaner processing. In this process, metals are leached from e-waste in a controlled environment. The solution is then refined to recover valuable metals like gold and silver, achieving up to 95% recovery efficiency. Hydrometallurgy reduces greenhouse gas emission, avoids the harmful use of chemical, and achieves high recovery rates. It's a cost-effective and environmentally sustainable solution for metal recovery. To implement this, we need e-waste collection centers, specialized hydrometallurgical facilities, and trained professionals in metallurgical engineering to manage operation and ensure efficiency. The recovery method, such as gold and palladium, can be sold to manufacturers at competitive price. This offsets costs and ensures profitability while reducing reliance on traditional mining. Hydrometallurgical recycling meets international standards like Basel Convention, which emphasize eco-friendly waste processing and minimize the risk associated with the toxic waste disposal. Case study in Japan, hydrometallurgical has been successfully used to recover gold from circuit boards. This method has generated millions in revenue while reducing the environmental impact of traditional recycling. The challenges includes at the high initial cost setting up facilities and raising public awareness about proper e-waste disposal. However, this can be addressed through government incentives and partnerships. Hydrometallurgy greatly reduces water and air pollution compared to smelting. By adopting this process, we can significantly mitigate the environmental impact of e-waste disposal. This approach pushes the boundaries of metallurgical engineering by combining technical innovation with sustainability. It highlights the critical role of our field in addressing global challenges. With proper investment and collaboration, hydrometallurgy can be scaled up globally. This ensures sustainable resources recovery to meet the growing demand of precious metals. By implementing this method, we can recover up to 80% of valuable metals from e-waste while reducing recycling emission by 50%. This showcases the economic and environmental viability of the solution. My vision is a future where metallurgical engineers transform waste into opportunity, reducing environmental harm while meeting the industrial demands through sustainable innovation. As a metallurgical engineers, we must champion sustainable methods like hydrometallurgy. Let's innovate, collaborate, and lead the way in creating greener and more efficient processes. Thank you for your time and attention. Together, we can make metallurgical engineering a key driver of sustainability.